I am Theseus, son of both Ageus and Poseidon, double daddies. I'm twice the man you guys will ever be. My mother was Aithra, daughter of Pythias. She got pregnant from 2 guys at the same night. Manly. Son, when you can lift this rock and retrieve the sword and sandals from beneath, you may return to me. Haha, I can do this. I am only 16. Look, the sandals and the sword. It is heavily implied that I am still carrying the sword and sandals. You there, bandit!
What? I am Hipolytis. I like to beat my victims with clubs.
Not manly. I shall show you this is wrong, dark fiend. Have a taste of your own medicine, scumbag! Take this, and that, and this stinking that, you miserable, fiendish, idiotic, dreadful, abominable, atrocious, corpulent, ample proportioned, gregariously fleshy snot face. Manly. You! Bandit!
Oh! Hi, I'm Sinus. Wanna see me tie this innocent sleeping traveler to these 2 trees and split him in half?
Not manly!
Oh.
You shall be punished for this!
No!
It is now greatly stressed that I am tying this man to 2 trees and splitting him in half. Now this is your fate, you filthy, ill-fated, conniving, imbecilic, nauseating, creepy, horrendous, pugnacious, bellicose, belligerent, antagonist, contentious windbag.
Oh, that sounds rather disgusting.
See? He now lies dead.
I am Siron. Feast upon my victim, dear sea turtle.
You're not manly! Now die, you disputatious, god-awful, sinister, alarmingly vile, cheatalicious, demonic, savage wretch of a twit! I might add, before we go any further, that it is still heavily implied that I am carrying, like a stork its burdenous child, the sandals and the sword. You there! Why are you hacking off this unseen man's ankles?
I am Procrustes. It's a great joy of mine to measure travelers. If they are too long for my bed, I take off their feetsies. If too short, I stretch their bodies out.
You are the least manly man I have yet come across on this journey, Procrustes. Let me hack you limb by limb and stretch you out. You have reached your end, you crusty, disgusting, devilish, ravenous, cannibalistic, ghostly, reptilian, wearisome, tedious, decrepit, plasterous piece of pasty carrion. You, my good sir, are no spring chicken. Ha ha! Ha ha ha! I would like to heavily imply that milk makes bones stronger. Also that I still bury the sandals and the sword. Father, I have arrived at your castle. Well, come dine with us, my boy. Medea, should I believe that this strapping young lad is my son?
No,
I don't believe him then.
I'll poison him.
As I said, dine with us. I think I may, good father.
Mr. Yellow, that's me. I'm yellow.